We're here at this charming family home located at 1/66 Seaview Road in Glenfield.
This really spacious home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms including an ensuite, and 2 walk-in wardrobes.
I'm Hannah, this is David. Let's go take a look. Enjoy an open plan kitchen and dining area flowing into a spacious lounge perfect for family living and entertaining.
Step out onto your private deck, a north-facing spot ideal for outdoor relaxation and gatherings. With a double garage and heaps of off-street parking, there's space for everyone.
You're a short stroll away to good schools, shopping centres, bus routes and amenities. This home is all about convenience. This one won't last long.